Hi everyone, just come to share with you another journal that I've made, and this one is traveller's notebook size, and I've used various different things in it from different Etsy sellers. What else have I done? I haven't done anything that I don't normally do, I don't think. It's cardstock. The cardstock's been sewn onto some white cardstock so that the cover is nice and thick. I've used this image here, which is from Tsunami Rose, and it's been stitched onto coffee dyed paper, and there is some cheesecloth behind with lots of taily bits, little bit of lace here, some bling. This word here is from Artimaze, just says journal. It measures 8 1/4, 4 1/2. There are 72 pages front and back, kind of similar to the one yesterday, only it's not birds and flowers. So let's go inside. Digital papers that I've used are from Artimaze. Please excuse my fingers, they're all inky, and I took them from a few of our different kits, so there wasn't one in particular. I kind of went for pages that had blue tones to it. So I've made a pocket there, done some stenciling, got my little flip out page, and I've used quite a little bit of Artimaze's freebies, which she gave away recently because she'd hit so many subscribers. No, it wasn't. It was so many followers on her her Facebook group. Sorry. So that was one of them. This is from Tsunami Rose. Some nice vintage looking people. Sewn these onto some coffee dyed paper. Got a glassine bag that Edith Holden, some edge punching, some digital music paper. Here is this is from my digital receipt ephemera, and I'll link that below if you're interested in making a purchase with that. The tag here is a freebie from Artimaze, and I just sewed that onto paper, coffee or tea dyed, can't remember. Obviously stamping and stenciling, some squared paper, lots of places to journal. Here is a Terry Woods flip out page that I normally do. My hands feel grubby. And then the word here is from Carol Tinson that she gave away on her Facebook group, and I've just put that onto some cardstock and then some cheesecloth behind there. I've made look at the handmade tag. This image here, love that. This is from my vintage receipts digital kit. This tag was a freebie from Artimaze, isn't that lovely? And this again is a receipt from my digital kit, stamping, stenciling, and this flips out like I normally do, and pop all this back in. I didn't get round to doing another journal kit today. I just wanted to do a journal. I like the staining of this paper. This is I bought my copy paper from somewhere else, and it's, I don't know, it's really, it gives it a really nice texture, so I'll be buying that again. I think it was Tesco's I got it from. I don't normally buy it from Tesco's. So we've got a Rita Donnelly flip here. Now these little butterflies are free with the tags, these big tags. They come on the same sheet, but what I did was I used the baby oil on it to kind of make it like vellum. So this was just this was matte photo paper, so I done that, and then obviously you've got to make sure that you get all the oil off of it, otherwise it will kind of stain if you don't. But yeah, I used them, and they do feel, and they smell nice too. They smell nice and they feel like vellum when you do that, the baby oil treatment. So where did all that go? So that's there with the ticket, and I put a little bit of bling in the middle. We have some more of my digital receipts and another tag. Artemis tag, Tsunami Rose image, love that dress she's wearing, and another receipt from my kit, as is this. I've got to sort this out a little bit. There we go. Should have I got ink on my cloth that I normally put down, so it's getting washed. So it's slipping and sliding everywhere. Paper bag, Edith Holden, some edge punching, and another receipt from my kit, and this is from Artemis. Lots of journaling paper there. Here is another tag from Artemis, and as you can see, she's got the butterfly on the tags as well, and a receipt. Stamping and stenciling behind there. Little pocket there, the other side of this paper bag. I think I got these from Monique, who is still crafting here on YouTube. She had sent me some in a Happy Mail. Another receipt. I had to trim this one down a little bit more. I did shrink it down, but it was still a little bit too big, so I had to chop a bit off the top and the bottom so that it would fit in this pocket, because it comes in a PDF and I printed it off at 90%, so it could have been done with a little bit less for a traveller's notebook size. So that is a little trifold journal page there. This is from Artemis. I will link everyone below. Love this image here. Do some journaling on there. It's been coffee dyed. This is a Terry Woods flipper, and I've just put cheesecloth and the word remember. And then behind here we have stamping and stenciling. This is from Artemis. And oh, this is actually something. It's a meter card for the electricity company, and it's actually from where Andrea lives, in Cornwall. I didn't notice that before. Well, that's the first time I've printed it out, so but I didn't notice it when I was stitching it, that's the word. Another tag from Artemis, and a tag, this lovely image of the little girl giving her mum a kiss, and this is from Artemis as well. Oh, and this is from again, these are all from Cornwall, I think. I'll have to have a good look at the others. Yeah, Camborne. Been to these places. Oops, paper clipped that to the additional pages. So we have some more papers here. I take it these are all actually receipts. Can't really see the writing on that one because it's kind of small. Another receipt from my kit, and this is from Artemis. Little pocket there. The other side of the paper bag. I love that noise. Need to get some more of these glassine bags. I don't actually do a lot with them apart from putting them in journals, but I just like the noise of them. I know, crazy. Another Rita Donnelly flip with the butterfly, the ticket and the bling. Another receipt from my kit, and so is that. And a tag. I always start coughing at the end of a video. A little journaling card there from Tsunami Rose. A tag from Artemis. And a little ticket from my receipt collection. So that is the journal. Let me show you this back page. It's like so. So it is quite chunky. Lots of journaling space. You know, everything in it can be written on the. You know, you can write on the backs of. This will be listed in my shop, and everything else will be linked down below. If you have any, I'll do that in a minute. If you have any questions, just ask. And thanks for watching. Bye.